If you're tiling a kitchen, a bathroom, or an entire home, a reliable manual tile cutter can make or break the quality of your finish. In this video, we're reviewing the best manual tile cutters of the year, rated for cutting precision, build durability, and ease of use for both DIYers and professional. Let's start with the best equipped manual tile cutter. This heavy-duty cutter is built to handle large format tiles with ease. Featuring a high-precision laser guide and a tungsten carbide scoring wheel, it delivers accurate, straight cuts on ceramic and porcelain tiles up to 15 millimeters thick. The aluminum base is reinforced for stability, and the dual solid guide rails keep the operation smooth and consistent. For those working on large rooms or commercial projects, this cutter gives professional-grade results without the complexity of electric models. It's especially favored for how confidently it handles big tiles without chipping the edges, something that many budget cutters struggle with. Next on the list is the VEVOR 17-inch manual tile cutter, which offers compact performance at an affordable price. This model is ideal for home renovators or weekend warriors handling small to medium tile jobs. It cuts tiles up to 12 millimeters thick and uses a strong tungsten steel scoring wheel to slice through ceramic, porcelain, and even mosaic tiles. The anti-skid rubber surface and ergonomic handle add comfort and control, while the built-in ruler allows for fast, repeatable measurements. This model stands out because of its balance, lightweight enough to move around easily, but sturdy enough for reliable performance. If you're doing backsplashes, small bathrooms, or quick repairs, the VEVOR 17-inch is a solid companion. Moving up in power and capacity, the IRONMAX 48-inch manual tile cutter brings excellent precision and rugged design to serious tile work. The dual guide rails, anti-skid foot pads, and adjustable laser positioning system make this cutter a great choice for cutting through long, heavy porcelain tiles. Its maximum cutting length is ideal for full-length floor tiles or large format wall panels, and the included scale and angle ruler make angle cuts more achievable for DIY users. Many users praise this unit for offering commercial-grade features at a mid-tier price. It's the right pick if you want to step up from entry-level tools without going all in on professional pricing. Now for the premium performer, Montolit Masterpiuma Power 5. This tile cutter is built for professional installers and serious hobbyists who want flawless, repeatable performance. It's available in various sizes, including 63 centimeters and 161 centimeters models. What sets it apart is its patented push-to-score system, allowing smooth cuts with minimal force, as well as its integrated protractor square and ergonomic handle. The construction is rock solid. The scoring action is smooth, and the braking mechanism rarely fails. It can handle porcelain, glass, ceramic, and textured tiles with ease. While it's more expensive than other options on this list, users repeatedly say it pays for itself in time saved and quality delivered. Lastly, we have the Raizi Puppy 650mm manual tile cutter, a mid-range professional tool that's well loved among tile contractors. It features a ball-bearing slide mechanism, a robust base plate, and dual guide rails that provide unmatched cutting stability. With a cutting length of 25.6 inches and the ability to handle thick and hard porcelain tiles, this cutter is ideal for precision jobs. It includes an optional laser guide for improved visibility and alignment. While not as well known as Montolit, Raizi has built a strong reputation for producing reliable, high-performing tools at a competitive price. It's a solid investment for those doing regular tile work who want to avoid the trial and error issues of cheaper tools.